Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Teach. Welcome to Simply Teach. Today we learn about 3D 3D printer. Okay, so now I'm showing you the image of 3D printer. Okay, so a 3D printer look like this one. 3D printer. Okay, so why 3D printer is used? 3D printer used mainly for manufacturing process, manufacturing, yeah, or you can say manufacture products. Okay, okay, you can directly connect your 3D printer to your computer. Okay, and material used for 3D printer is plastic wires, metal wires, etc., and many other types of material we used in 3D printer. Okay, so what happened in 3D printer? We give command from a PC from a PC. Okay, and it print the same object. Okay, like in 3D printer, if we give command of a cup, like print a cup, so the command goes to 3D printer. It takes his plastic wire or metal wire, whatever it is, and print accordingly to that image which was on your PC. Okay, so it 3D printer 3D printer print very smoothly, fast and perfectly. Okay, so a 3D printer print very perfectly. Okay, whatever it is the image, that is the same output you can get from 3D printer. 3D printer are printers are expensive to buy. Okay, in comparison to inkjet and laserjet printer, 3D printers are expensive one. Okay, so that's all about 3D printer. Thanks for watching.